fuck were you doing?
Just waiting, hoping some portal would open. Christmas won't be Christmas without Carl.
Even if one did open, he drowned. There's no way we'd be able to find him. And what if it doesn't open back to the city again?
Look, I don't know. I was just holding out any little bit of hope.
I mean, like, we have an hour until midnight. We should probably just sleep or else Santa won't come.
I'ma blow him up!
Does he come to secret hideouts?
Well...
Looks like we ain't sleeping tonight.
Oh my god.
Oh, bluff. What is this timing?
Hey, yo, I was just about to put out the milk and cookies. Let me do that.
You know, you should take one of these before you go into the realm, because this shit keeps your eyes open!
I think I'll be okay.
Alright.
I'm fine.
another fucking car gone! I hate to say it, but we're probably not finding Carl in here.
I just say we get out of here as quick as possible.
But where are we supposed to go from here? There's no track or anything.
I mean, it's gotta narrow down.
Eventually.
Yeah, now let's fucking go! It's so damn cold out here! Fuck!
Santa, Snoopy's missing. Again, Buff? Where would he have even went? I don't know, he was right behind us.
Oh, what a realm. Hey, my car crapped out on me. You think you can give me a lift? Out! Now! Don't make me ask twice!
Fuck you too, bitch!
Alright, turn around.
Alright, everyone, calm down.
Oh, look at Mr. Smartass. Fuck out of here.
Hey, stop! Leave him alone!
Stop! You know what? Give me this one.
Hey, bitch, put me down, you idiot! Yeah, motherfucker's getting ready! You wanna play?
Alright, let's go.
Fuck out of here.
What do we do now?
You gotta go after them. You have to get Toad back.
But I only have one seat.
Just go without me. You've gotta save him.
But what about you?
I'll figure it out. Just go find them.
Alright, I'll come back to you.
How did we go from dinosaurs in the kitchen to this? Oh wait, there's no one here. Is that? Yo, what happened to you?
They took Toad and my car. Blaziken went after them, but he never came back.
They? Who is they?
They were my friends, but they ditched me like 4 years ago. Cameo is so full of herself, and Scratch is too hostile to even talk. I have no idea how they even got in here.
This is absolutely ridiculous, but here, get in the car and warm up. You must be freezing. You look like you're about to die. See, I was with Tanner and Peppa, but I lost them. I have no idea how I got here now. The hell was that?
Stop the car.
Nah, look, I'm actually sorry for your loss. Hey, wait, isn't that your car over there? Oh, what the hell? Why would anybody do this?
Come on, we gotta find Toad.
Hey, yo, who's this guy? I swear that car's been taken out at least 3 times, Buff. Well, let's get it again, shall we? Shall we? Ooh, there's the portal, Buff. Alright, who won? Probably you, Buff, but hey, where is everyone else, Buff?
What, girl? What? You looking for your friends? Well, they're gone. Never coming back. Don't even bother trying to find them. We would have taken you, but it's better to watch you suffer without them.
What in the mac and cheese and maples my pants mother duck? Hey yo, Buff, the portal is about to close. Journey, what are you doing? You have to get out of there.
What do you mean? How much time is left?
You only have a minute left. You have to come back through.
I'm coming out.
Oh, come on, Journey, come on.